Hey, Al Williamson, leadinglandlord.com. Just checking in. You know, Today was kind of a funny day because I posted on Facebook in one of my groups that I post in about available rentals, and some of my old clients, they tagged it, they said how great it was. It was really good to get that type of unsolicited feedback. And at the same time, I'm dealing with a potential applicant who's super hesitant about what we do and if we're real and whatnot. And it got me thinking, a lot of this corporate rental business is about establishing trust. And that allows strangers to do business with each other over the internet. So I'm brainstorming today about what else I can do besides shooting videos and doing Facebook Lives inside my rentals and soliciting feedback, getting feedback from my guests to establish my trust, because that is what limits my rates and what limits um, my filling up vacancies quickly is trust. And I guess that all revolves around creating a brand. So that's something we should think about as we all move into the internet age and get involved with rentals and um, temporary or furnished housing. So that's my thought for today. Hope you're well. I'll talk to you later.